Guys, you have got approximately 40 minutes to knock this out.
Today is the 2022 Euphoria Greenville Healthy Lunchtime Throwdown Challenge. 4 Greenville County students competing on stage, each of them with their own Michelin star sous chef. The winner of this competition today is going to get their recipe on our menu.
I think art comes in a lot of forms, whether it be drawing, photography. I think culinary is one of them.
I love how a bunch of people who have never met can get together and learn something through the art of cooking.
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
I think we've got a world-class food program at the Greenville County Schools. We've got amazing teachers, and we've got young students who get to train and practice their craft with world-class chefs. And that doesn't happen anywhere else in the country that I'm aware of.
The shrimp was perfectly cooked, perfectly seasoned.
I love that the bacon didn't overtake the sandwich. And I also love that the kimchi didn't make the toast soggy.
Ultimately, there's got to be one winner. Today's Bethany with the Kimchi Grilled Cheese.
I honestly was like, wait, what? it didn't register until she grabbed me. I'm like, wait, I won?
Wow. Feeling pretty good right now?
Yeah, I am.
These kids, what we do here at Greenville County Schools, we got great culinary instructors. They get these kids prepared for success the moment they leave Greenville County Schools.